Hi, boys and girls. This is Beth Clark, and I'm going to share a math lesson with you today. Today, our topic is making a math story. So we've talked a lot about addition, about plus, putting things together, right? So I'm going to use my handy dandy dry erase board, and we're going to review what addition means again. So if I have this symbol, plus, that means I'm putting things together, right? I'm putting numbers, quantities together, right? So today we're going to talk about 5 plus 3. We're going to do it a little bit backwards. So instead of me giving you a math story, you're going to come up with one yourself. But I'll give you an example so you don't think, oh, what is she talking about, right? So 5 plus 3 equals 8. So 5 of something and 3 more of something is 8 altogether, right? So I'm going to show you different things you can use to work out your math problem, okay? There's many things and all different things all around the house. So I went ahead and looked around what we have, and I noticed Ethan, my son, has this Connect 4 game. And I thought, oh my goodness, this is fantastic. So he's letting me graciously borrow this. So I could say Ethan had 5 yellow Connect 4 dots, right? And I'm going to move this so that you can see it on this little desk. So Ethan had 5 yellow dots, right? And I had, Mrs. Clark had 3 red dots. All together, we had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 dots, right? We had 8 dots all together. So if I were to draw a picture of this, I would show 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3. That's one way I could do it. 8 altogether. So that's one example. Something else I could use are these bouncy balls. You can tell I rated Ethan's toy box, huh? I could say Ethan had 3 bouncy balls, 3 large ones, and he had sorry, one of the bouncy balls is sticking. There we go. And he had 5 small bouncy balls. I'm going to hold this up to the screen. So Ethan had 3 large bouncy balls and 5 small bouncy balls. And he had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 bouncy balls all together. So that's something else in the household that you could use. You might have little toy cars. I tried to look, I guess Ethan gave most of his toy cars away. I couldn't find a large quantity of toy cars. But what I did find were tons of crayons. You could use crayons to work out your math problem or to make a math story. You could say something like, Mrs. Clark had 3 crayons, right? Ethan had 5 crayons. Mrs. Clark and Ethan had 8 crayons all together, right? And then Post-it notes, you could even use Post-it notes. Mrs. Clark had 3. I'll show this on the table here. Mrs. Clark had 3 pink Post-it notes. Ethan had 1, 2, 3, 4. This one's not as sticky. 5. Ethan had 5 Post-it notes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Ethan and Mrs. Clark had 8 Post-it notes all together. And there are different ways that you can show your math story. So you can draw a picture of it like I did here. You could just simply take a picture of it, have your family members help you take a picture of it. So you could take a picture of your idea, or you can even, with the help of your family or independently, you can write it in a story form. You could say something like 5 little clouds. 5 little clouds were in the sky. I'll write the word clouds. 5 little clouds were in the sky. This would be amazing if this next part happened, but I'm using my imagination, so why not? 3 rainbows were in the sky. All together, they made 8. So you can make a story, okay? So that's your assignment is, I'm gonna erase my board again so you can see the assignment again. So your assignment for your math story is to come up with a math story to go with this equation, okay? 5 plus 3 equals 8, meaning 5 and then 3 more make 8. So come up with an example of a math story to go with that, okay? All right, thank you so much, and I will see you next time. Bye.